Back for another update. Let's take a look at SUI over here. And what we have going back to October 2023 is a 5-wave move to the upside, which would create your first leg in the market. You can even call this your A wave. And then we came down back here on February 15th to March. We were in the midst of our correction. So it looks like after having your first leg to the upside over here, we then had to create our second leg before we can have that third leg higher. Within this second leg, we formed a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern. So you have a 3-wave move down in your A, 3-wave move up in your B, and then a 5-wave move to the downside for your C wave. And then within the 5th wave of this C wave, we have what's called an ending diagonal in which the waves overlap each other. You can also consider this like a bullish descending broadening wedge. You can see that we rallied above it, and now we're back testing it as support, solidifying it as support in the form of an ABC correction, just coming down for a double back test. And when we take some fibs to this on the linear scale, we do see that we have come down to the 50% fib, but definitely if you're in SUI, let the trade breathe, because there is a possibility we come wick down to any of these fibs below and then continue on higher from there. Okay, the targets would be at the 100% fib when we use our trend-based fib to this to measure our C wave. Okay, so the 786 would be at $1.88, the 100% fib at $2.75, and the 1.236 at $4. Okay, there is a possibility it does extend towards the 1.382 at 540, but so far what you would want to do is to ladder out at all of these fibs, not financial advice. And we actually had weekly bullish divergence, which marked our bottom. As you can see here, we made a lower low here on the price, right? Lower low at the bottom of this bullish descending broadening wedge, and then you make a higher low on the weekly RSI. Okay, it does look like we still have a lot of room left to go up here. Okay, I would be expecting a move towards the 78.6% fib over here. Okay, right over here on the RSI. Okay, so a move up to this region over here is where I would expect the weekly RSI to go to before we start to see a little bit of momentum, a momentum shift. Okay, so right now SUI does look bullish. We do have the weekly indicator turning up, and we're currently using this bullish descending broadening wedge as support, currently within this small range over here. So you would want to see how the price reacts here, and definitely be open to the possibility of SUI coming down to any of these lower fibs for some manipulation before we have that expansion higher. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you guys want to stay updated on SUI, then definitely click the link in the description below. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one. Okay, look at this weekly momentum indicator as well. Just something I thought I should share with you guys. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.